Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Once you have a MetaMask wallet created, you'll be able to create your own NFTs. Navigate to OpenSea.io and click the Create button in the menu bar. Now you can connect your MetaMask wallet with OpenSea and get to work. Create a name for your NFT collection, then click the Add New Item button.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can make an NFT of a digital painting, a text, a piece of music, a video. Literally, anything that can be reproduced as a multimedia file. After all, the NFT game is all about turning digital artwork into unique pieces in the age of their infinite reproduction.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can stake your NFTs to earn rewards and incentives on various sites, one of them being Our Planet. A final way to indirectly make money with non-fungible tokens is through investing in startups. If there's one thing that NFTs have proven is that they're not a quick-passing crypto trend.
Take our lead.
You'll need some cryptocurrency, image credit, Ethereum. Create a digital wallet. Go to the MetaMask website and click on the blue Download button in the top right. Add money to your wallet. Connect your wallet to the NFT platform. Upload your file. Set up an auction. Describe your NFT. Pay the fee, but be warned.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.